In this video, I'll be taking you through one of our flagship models here at Elanix AI, a super smart agent that takes an RSS feed item, converts that into a tweet, and then posts it onto your X profile, allowing you to engage, generate leads, bring in those sales, all while you do no work. If that sounds interesting, then follow through with me. This agent in particular has enabled me to get the 2021 AMG G63 at the age of 21. Pretty cool. If you're interested in an agent like this, the link will be in the description. So let's get started. To give you a brief overview of how this works, I've had the agent here in make.com. As you can see, what it's doing is it's taking feed items from an RSS feed, which stands for really simple syndicate. It's a centralized news system. It's an online page, and every time items are added to a website, we get notified and we get that complete item, which we can then use to generate a tweet or something like that. So in this case, I'm showing you the personal agent that we use for our own page here at Elanix AI. And I'm going to show you what our page looks like. These tweets that you see right here have been completely automated and generated while I was doing my own thing. So this agent can work independently, creating quality tweets. I want you to notice that it has emojis, hashtags, comments, everything. And what it's doing is, as soon as we get the item, right, that it's updating, that gets updated daily, it goes straight to ChatGPT, OpenAI, and gets formatted into a tweet that's up to our standard, and it gets stored onto a Google Sheet. This Google Sheet in particular is built on our AGS framework, which basically stands for Angry Google Sheet. And it's just a way of connecting our different applications to each other and allowing us to manage it. So as you can see, all our generated tweets will be populated in the cells. What did I just do here? Populated in the cells, along with the link to the original post. And what we've been building is also an additional functionality that allows you to have the final say. Right now, we don't have this on, so it's posting every 12 hours. But if you prefer, you could have this function, and it would just allow you to confirm or deny posts going to your profile, giving you a bit of, some control there. But after it's stored onto there, it's getting posted to our X page. And I'm going to just run this once to show you how this works. Choose where to start, select, and I can choose basically anything here. Just start from there. So what it's doing is it's capturing an RSS feed, putting it into ChatGPT, and when I come to my X page and I refresh, it should be a new tweet. There we go. Tim Cook just dropped the ultimate teaser. So every 12 hours it's going to do exactly what I just showed you there, and that requires no input from us. What we need to build this automation, if this is something that you're interested in, is APIs from X and OpenAI, as well as the RSS address for the website. So if you have a manufacturing company, a painting business, grass cutting business, having an automated X page is just going to give you another channel to grow an audience. And especially when it's this automated, it's not even something you need to think about. It's just going to run in the background, and over time that audience is going to grow on your page, increasing your business. These agents the pricing starts at $269. It does or can fluctuate depending on functionality you want to be included, so almost like this post system. But besides that, we can also expand this to go to work with various other platforms. So Instagram, Facebook, anything you actually imagine, we could build it and allow that whole process to be automated, saving you money, time, and avoiding the headache. So I hope this was helpful, insightful, showing you what's possible here at Elanix AI. And like I say, if it's interesting to you, link will be in the description. You can get started now. Thank you.